Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're dealing with a Snapchat device ban and can't seem to log in or create a new account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through several methods to fix this issue step by step. Make sure to stick around till the end to avoid any mistakes. So, why is my device banned from Snapchat? One reason could be outdated app versions. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you're not running the latest version, it could be causing the problem. Next, let's dive into your device settings. Scroll down until you find the Snapchat app. On Android, it might look a bit different, but ensure that the background app refresh feature is turned on and all settings align with mine. These settings could impact your ban status. Now, let's manage your device storage. On iPhone, go to Settings on General. iPhone storage. Wait for everything to calculate, then find Snapchat in the list. Here's a trick. Open Snapchat, tap and hold on your profile icon, and click Reinstall App. This clears storage but keeps data intact. If the issue persists, it's time to reach out to Snapchat support. Open Safari or Google Chrome and search for Snapchat support. Click on the official site and navigate to My account is compromised. Explain your situation, provide accurate information, and submit the report. In a day or two, Snapchat should respond. They might lift the ban or provide reasons for it. Follow their instructions accordingly, and there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your Snapchat device ban and get back to snapping in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Goodbye for now.